Guys, Golden, Joe, Jamie and UK 19 Trains here. Now here we have the showcase of Mile End Level Crossing in Cambridgeshire. Now this crossing's got its LEDs with waiting penguin barriers.
All of them are wooden.
Yeah. So it's got weighted wooden penguin barriers. This one's got
penguin barriers. Okay.
This one's got
big lorry, careful.
one weight. And this one's got I think that's got only one weight there. Here's the back of the line with its yodel arm. There's the barrier. Here we've got your concrete crossing plant with no anti-trespass guide. Here's the back of the LED. And there's the back of the two signs over there.
Right.
Right. Another train coming if lights continue to show. Keep crossing clear. Here's your phone box, which Joe's currently using at the moment. Warning, do not trespass on the railway, penalty £1,000. That's something like an advertisement or something. This is on the Ely to Norwich line. That way goes to Ely, that way goes to Norwich. So here's the back of the other LEDs. Telephone box. Right, that one's free now. Now, let's go over to this LED. Show you the phone box, what's inside of it. Well, if I'm careful. Excuse me. Right, hang on a minute, guys. I've got to be really careful, it's so steep. Right. There we go. Right, here's the phone box. Right, this one calls Cambridge signal box. In the event of failure of this telephone, please call that number there. For the nearest public or mobile telephone and quote information down below. Note that your call may be recorded. There. And there's the phonetic alphabet. Not sure if you can see it. There it is. It's just up there. There's your phone. Right. Here's the other LED with its waiting penguin barriers. Here's your yodel arm. So let's try and get the far back shot. Right. I'm going to see if I can try and get the far back shot of that crossing. Far back shot there. So yeah guys, this is Miles End Level Crossing in Cambridgeshire on the Ely to Norwich line. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.